Three Sisters.
Yeah.
Oh, why do they call it Three Sisters? So down here you've got your caravan park, and we want to go to the free camp because then we can sit out on our chairs after we go out to the rocks. Free camping, there is some conditions to it. They do have some form of toilet there that you can utilise. Oh, it looks like it's getting clean too. Old mate's down there with the gloves, so that's nice.
That went very clean yesterday.
Yeah.
Does that look like? Maybe we'll pull up on the grass.
Yeah. Just back up.
There's a van there, caravan.
So you're behind the tree.
Yeah.
So I guess we're off to take some drone shots out at the Three Sisters. This is something I've waited for 4 years. 4 years to do. Blade and I came here and we were over the other side, and we only had the mini drone, so we couldn't do it.
At the back of the van.
So today we come back. Oh, rando thoughts here. So today we've come back to fulfill the desire to be able to fly the Three Sisters. The Three Sisters is 3 rocks, and I think they call that other one Elephant Rock, yeah?
Yeah.
And that's where all the tourists go out and walk around. So we've got a couple of drones. We'll just go over and have a look at some of the notes. So we've got a couple of drones to do some offshore shots, obviously with people around, but the best thing is here in New Zealand using AirShare, and you can log your flights. It's really good. We'll take you through it obviously on one of the flights. Look, another rando shoe.
And that's a Nike.
Like, what's with people? It's not like a crocodile can take their foot, but they keep forgetting. All right, let's go. Yeah, then, yeah, it seems to be like just a trail of people, which is cool. It's a great thing to go and look at. And we had a bit of advice from one guy coming back was it's muddy and it's thick, so prepared to get all yucky. So over that side, just on that corner, is the lookout paddock, which we can't get to. Yeah. So not only do we have to concentrate on breathing, walking, shooting footage, and now where you step. See the little breathe holes? Like there's little clams underneath there when the water comes up.
Yeah, that clay stuff. Like it will just
Come to the high grounds. Someone's come out here on a motorbike. This is my Indian heritage, being able to identify a vehicle of some sort. So Miss Lisa's running her little Neo. She loves it, and we can use it for the shots, like trailing. It shoots at 4K. It's under the 249 grams by a lot, and is really versatile for shorter sort of drone shots and stuff like that. So we'll do a bit of a follow with it.
How it goes in the wind.
Hey?
Just see how she goes with this wind.
Yeah.
She's not always.
She's checked her out. She didn't have to log a flight because of that. It's so small.
Just try and do it before those ladies come.
So as you can see, we've got little Neo following behind us. So let's talk a little about where we are, babe. You like it?
It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, this is the stuff I get to see back in Perth when I go out on outdoor red camps. This is the stuff I get to go and do and experience, and I love it. It's so good for your soul. But to come here and see it, it's magic.
I mean, just have a look at that view. You've got Elephant Rock behind us. The Three Sisters here, which has been a dream just to come and fly. I just saw it from way across the way and said one day I want to come back and fly it. And then, you know, the mountains in the background with the beautiful cloud cover. It's just an exceptional day, and people with their dogs and from different countries, and some rogue droney flyers over there with his mini, old mate. But yeah, look, it's amazing. So we're gonna go up here and set up the drones for a drone shot. We'll do some photography.